Latvia is in northern Europe and on the shores of the Baltic Sea. It is a European Union member state. The capital city of Riga is known throughout the world as a center for modern science and intellectual potential. Latvia's rapidly growing economy is an admirable success story in the EU, and it is enriched by the development of innovative products and the use of the latest technologies. Latvia's ecologically pure environment coexists with progressive ideas that are supported by the Latvian state, the country's companies, and the European Union as a whole. Approximately one-half of Latvia is covered by forest, and so the national economy is closely linked to the environment. The historical heritage has made it possible to make rational use of natural resources in the chemical and particularly the pharmaceutical industry. For centuries, Latvia's wealth of flora has been used for treatment of disease, and today it has turned into a progressive process of pharmaceutical science and manufacturing. Pharmaceutical products in Latvia are controlled by the European Union's GMP, or Good Manufacturing Practices, standards. Latvia's pharmaceutical sector is one of the most promising components of the national economy. It has a wealth of traditions and takes part in the international marketplace. The development of pharmaceutics in the country is characterized by new combinations of existing medications, the design of original products, and the study of promising medications. Each year, substantial resources are invested in pharmaceutical research that is focused on treatments for cardiovascular, neurological, cancer-related, and viral diseases. Medications and active substances that are manufactured in Latvia are exported throughout the world. The export markets are being developed in Russia, Japan, Australia, South Africa, Chile, the United States, Canada, England, Spain, Sweden, and more than 70 other countries in the world. One of the goals for Latvia's pharmaceutical companies is to create innovative original products that can be used for healthcare needs in the future. Latvian pharmaceutical companies already hold important patents in various countries of the world, and they are also preparing new patent applications. Latvian pharmaceutical companies design and manufacture the widest range of medications, satisfying the needs of patients and doctors in nearly all groups therein. The top products from these companies are known throughout the world. PharmAIdea is a Latvian-based pharmaceutical manufacturer. The company's core competence relates to the manufacturing of small batches of sterile products in vials, which come in both lyophilized and liquid form. The services include contract manufacturing, product manufacturing, technological developments, including the validation and elaboration of specifications and testing methods, as well as stability studies and a dossier related to the registration of products. The PharmAIdea product portfolio includes self-developed generics for intensive care, women's health, and anti-cancer drugs that have been registered in more than 20 countries. The company's main export regions include the European Union, the Middle East, Russia, Turkey, Southeast Asia, Mexico, and others. Atosiban inhibits the oxytocin and vasopressin hormones and delays imminent preterm birth for women with a gestational age from 24 to 33 weeks. Carbetocin is a long-acting and synthetic analog to oxytocin used for the prevention of uterine atony following the delivery of an infant via cesarean section. Dexmedetomidine is a highly selective A2 adrenergic agonist used for light to moderate sedation in an intensive care setting without the risk of respiratory depression. Silvexpo closely cooperates with industry partners from universities, scientific institutes, and pharmaceutical companies in order to transform fresh ideas and technologies into next-generation products. The company has developed several innovative products for children and also to improve the quality of life for adults. ImmunoKids is a liquid product with beta-glucan and vitamin C to stabilize and modify adequate immune system responses. It is meant specifically for children. Calcium Kids is a liquid product with calcium, vitamins, and minerals with an improved formula for the absorption of calcium. It, too, is meant specifically for children. Immunocaps is a combination of beta-glucan and vitamin D. It is a simple and effective composition to strengthen the immune system during all seasons of the year. BioLat develops, produces, and commercializes natural active ingredients and products. Several scientific studies have been carried out to find the most effective dosages and compound combinations of active substances from Latvian spruce and pine needles. Innovation and renewable forest resource optimization are a vital part of BioLat's strategy. The company has developed several innovative products for the treatment and prophylaxis of cardiovascular, respiratory, and chronic hepatic diseases. Supercell HEPA is an innovative formula in the next generation of hepatoprotective products. The natural complex of spruce needle polyprenols and phospholipid liposomes is a novel and effective combination. Cardiopren contains a unique composition of spruce needle polyprenols, coenzyme Q10, and linseed oil. It is a completely natural product for heart and muscle strength. Silvacept contains the patented spruce needle extract silbiols. It is especially recommended for strengthening the body's resistance against viruses and bacteria during the cold season. Solifarm manufactures pharmaceutics that have been developed in partnership with physicians, pharmacists, and scientific institutes so as to guarantee outstanding quality and an individual approach toward each client, distributor, and partner. Solifarm products contain extracts from medicinal plants, vitamins, and microelements that have proven their effectiveness in clinical studies and in everyday use. The company particularly focuses on the development and manufacturing of high-quality original products, doing so on the basis of the latest technologies in the natural sciences. HepaStrong Adilif Complex, first-choice preparation for liver function maintenance. The active ingredient S-adenosilmethionine works directly through SAMe in the liver. This is a source of glutathione, a principal antioxidant required for liver detoxification. It provides normal fat and homocysteine metabolism. Soluro Duo, a combination of natural uroseptics for the urinary tract. This proanthocyanidin pack plus cryodesiccated cranberry concentrate prevents E. coli bacterial adhesion. D-mannose prevents adherence of certain bacterial strains to the ureopithial cells of the bladder. This unique technique ensures higher concentration and bioavailability. Atrovernon 5-in-1, a new generation product for joint health that provides a full cycle of regeneration and treatment, reducing inflammation, restoring joints, and improving joint functions. Lotos Pharma develops innovative and original pharmaceutics from natural and high-class raw materials, always using unique manufacturing technologies that are based on the latest research in the world. The Lotos Pharma team consists of the most prominent professionals in their field, combining forces, ideas, experience, and knowledge to create only products of the most excellent quality. Aterolip, a natural statin as an effective lipid-lowering agent. Monocolin K and berberine reduces cholesterol levels. Flavonoids provide cardioprotective effects. Keeps healthy arterial walls. Good Sleep Spray, a natural sublingual spray for healthy sleep. 4 times greater melatonin absorption within the first 5 minutes. Helps to fall asleep faster and stay asleep for the whole night. 200 restful nights. Sinurin Drops, natural oil-rich drops to treat sinusitis. Relieves nasal congestion. Antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Suitable for inhalations. The rapid development of pharmaceutics at the local and global level in Latvia is based on the Life Science Cluster of Latvia, which is a partnership network for enterprises. Also of importance is the Latvian Association of Chemical and Pharmaceutical Companies. This cooperation encourages public education, the expansion of pharmaceutical firms, increased productivity and capacity of innovations, as well as support for export companies that make a substantial investment in the development of the national economy. Latvia can be proud of its successes in the area of pharmaceutics because it has recorded its name in the world and maintains prospects that make human lives more comfortable and longer.